Hello friends, have you already tried these super juicy chicken minced kebabs cooked in a frying pan? I'll show you now. Prepare the products according to the list. It is better to get butter from the refrigerator in advance so that it becomes soft. Cut the peeled onion into small cubes. Slicing is needed as small as possible, so it will be easier to form a barbecue. Parsley and dill greens are also finely chopped with a knife. In a deep bowl, mix the minced meat, butter, onion, herbs, salt, black and hot pepper and spices to taste. Knead the minced meat well with a spatula. There is no need to beat the minced meat, the chicken minced meat is sticky enough and will keep the shape of kebabs well. With wet hands, take about 60 grams of minced meat and roll it into a ball. Then flatten it, giving the cake a round or oval shape, and stick around a wooden skewer. Try to make a shish kebab about the same size so that they are then evenly cooked. Grease a frying pan with vegetable oil and heat it well over maximum heat. Put the kebabs in a frying pan. Fry the kebabs on high heat for 1–2 minutes on each side, trying to turn them evenly in a circle. It took me 6–8 minutes to fry all the kebabs. Transfer the finished kebabs to a plate. Shape and fry the next portion. Despite the fact that the kebabs were fried in a frying pan, they are not inferior to meat on the grill. Juicy, very appetizing and tender chicken cutlets on skewers are a great lunch option. Absolutely any side dish will suit them. A crust has formed on each cutlet, which keeps the meat juice inside. Onions added juiciness to our kebabs, and oil and spices gave a light creamy taste and a pleasant aroma. Thank you for your attention and bon appétit. See you.